Today our third activity was unit number 6. Food group. Nature is the third groups. Food groups. Number first state these are needed in small amounts by values, parts of the body. Number second iron, calcium, phosphorus, iodine and salt.
And some example minerals are eggs, vegetables, fruits, milk, and salt.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Tariman for Class 4 and my name is Galia from 4th grade. Today our third activity